Welcome. If you're looking for a way to take a break from seeing posts by a specific person in a Facebook group, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the simple steps to snooze group posts from someone on Facebook using your PC, following the latest update. This is perfect if you want a little peace and quiet from certain group members without unfriending or blocking anyone. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, navigate to the group where you're seeing posts from the person you'd like to snooze. Now scroll through the group feed and find a post made by the profile you want to temporarily mute. It doesn't matter which post you choose, as long as it's from that specific person. Next, look for the three dots in the top right corner of their post. This is the More Options button. Go ahead and click on those three dots. A menu will pop up with several options. Here's the part you're looking for. Select the option that says, snooze the name of the profile for 30 days. Facebook will show the exact name of the person you're snoozing, so you know you're choosing the right one. Once you click that, you're all set. For the next 30 days, you won't see any new posts from that person in your group feed. Don't worry, this action is private. The person won't be notified, and you can still visit their profile or see their posts elsewhere on Facebook if you want. If you change your mind or want to unsnooze them before the 30 days are up, just visit the group settings or find another post from them and click the three dots again. There you'll find the option to undo the snooze. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can control what you see in your Facebook groups and make your feed a little more enjoyable. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching.